when I went to school, everything was just theory, and I couldn't get what I wanted till I completed. My name is Dzakpasu Emmanuel. I completed SHS, and back then in SHS, we had this opportunity to go to the library, do things in the library, but I'm a graphic designer actually. But then my expectation when I went to SHS was to explore more, do more things with a computer, maybe learn things, how to draw on the computer, graphic design things on the computer. But actually when I went to school, everything was just theory, and I couldn't get what I wanted till I completed. So after SHS, I got employed in a work, and my madam actually introduced me to Genius IT Brainery courses, and I took the idea, I accepted that, and then I was like, okay, then I'll pay for it, and then I'll go in for it and see whether I can actually get what I was looking for. So I applied for the GITB LEAD Essentials Courses, which include MS Word, the Excel, graphic designing, web designing, and entrepreneurship. Within these few days I've been here, I've seen a great change in myself. I can actually do some things I never knew I could do. Launching, I can just launch the MS Word, but what I'm supposed to do, I never got it right. I can never operate it, but I can now operate it. I can design, I can format, I can select the text, I can do so many things concerning the MS Word. The teachers are doing a great job. How they demonstrate the things, they make me feel at home. This place is like, wow. I was never expecting that. They taught me things, they made me explore a lot. The place is very nice. The tables, the chairs, every place is just comfortable for you to learn. A very, very comfortable environment for you to learn. And I'm really, really happy. I'm really, really impressed to be here. My expectation for coming here is that by the time I leave this place, by 3 months I get enrolled at this place, I'll be able to do some basic things. Be a professional graphic designer, website designer, and then be able to operate the MS Word very well, do exploiting whatever that I'm being taught here. All the courses I've applied for, I get everything right.